Tonight we're having a very simple meal for our dinner. I've got 8 cups of water in this boiler that I've already got to a boil, and we're having, this is made by Shore Lunch, and it's classic chicken noodle soup mix. And all I've got to do is open this up and add it to the pan. Okay, we've never tried this meal before, but we did try the one that has the cheddar potatoes, and we really enjoyed it, so we thought we'd try the chicken noodle. So just pour all the ingredients in there. I'm going to give it a real good stir, and then I'm going to be adding 1 can of chicken to it. And I'm trying to record and work, so hopefully I don't fog up the camera too much. Okay, let me get me a can of chicken and add to this. Okay, I'm going to be adding 1 can. This is the Great Value chunk chicken breast, and I'm going to add the juice and the chicken to it. It's a little hot when it splatters on you. Marie is supposed to teach me not to do that. Okay, let me stir it up real good, and all we got to do is let this come back to a boil and let it boil for about 15 minutes, and this should make us a real good meal for supper tonight. Okay, it's came back to a boil, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the temperature down on to a low simmer and set the timer for 15 minutes. Okay, I've got the timer for 15 minutes, and just let it sit here and simmer on low for 15 minutes, and it should be done. I'm not going to add any salt to it or any pepper or any seasoning to it at all, and we're going to try it and see how we like it, just like it is out of the package. The way these packages, the way this soup is packaged up in these packages, this would make a real good prepping supply. We're probably going to buy a few more of these and start building up a few of these also for our prepping supplies, if it turns out that it tastes as good like we're hoping it does. Right now it's got a very good smell to it, and it looks like it's going to turn out pretty nice. Okay, this has only been cooking for a few minutes, and it is really starting to smell good. But I want to show you the back of the package, if I can get close enough to it for you to read. But this package makes 8 servings, and each serving is 110 calories. So actually that's pretty good if you just get a single serving. 1 cup size of soup, it's only 110 calories. Okay, the soup has been cooking for exactly 15 minutes. Let me turn my timer off. And we are getting that thunderstorm outside that Marie was talking about earlier. Turn the soup off, and let me get my bowl over here, and I'll dip some out. Okay, Marie's going to help me a little bit. It's hard to do this one-handed. And 2 scoops of this will equal 1 cup. Marie, you want to give us a taste test of that and see what you think about it? Or it may be too hot, you may have to let it cool down just a second.
Okay. I'll blow on it a little bit.
Yeah, it definitely looks good. I'm going to stir it a little bit so you can see it. But it looks real good, and I love how it smells.
I know that the potato soup that we had was as good as any homemade that I've ever made.
Yeah, that potato soup was great.
Yeah. I'm going to try to get a noodle here. It keeps slipping off the spoon.
It's probably pretty hot, Marie, so be careful with it.
This could be scary.
It's very hot, so don't burn yourself.
Good.
Well, it definitely smells good. Does it taste good? You think it needs any salt, pepper, or anything like
It
that?
definitely doesn't need any salt,
Okay, that's, this package, that is one serving there.
but it
And
could
that's,
use some pepper.
oh, okay. That's about the size of serving that we normally would get for just one bowl of soup. And this makes 8 servings.
And it tastes like homemade chicken noodle soup.
Yeah. Okay, it looks real good. Okay, well, we're gonna go ahead and enjoy our dinner tonight. Thanks everybody for watching this. We certainly do appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. And Marie wants to tell you one thing.
Do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great day. Bye.